Hello students, today we are going to look at composite shapes. You have learned how to find the areas of triangles and all kinds of quadrilaterals. So today we will have a more complicated figure. So for instance, in this figure here, it's not something that we recognize from all the things, all the shapes that we have learned before. However, you could actually draw some helping lines that can divide this shape into several different simpler shapes. Okay, so here we are going to look at least three different ways. So the first way, for instance, is to draw a line somewhere here vertically. So if I draw a line which is perpendicular to the line at the bottom, so meaning it's 90 degrees here, then all these 1, 2, 3 lines are actually parallel. So if that's the case, then I have split the complicated figure into two trapezoids here. So the first one on the left and the second one on the right. Okay, so by finding the area of each of the trapezium and add them up, then we can figure out the area of the whole composite shape. The second way of making the figure simpler is by drawing a horizontal line somewhere at the top here. So if we cut it there, then you have several different shapes. You have one rectangle here at the bottom, and then at the top you have two triangles. Of course, at the moment we have nothing. We have no measurement of all the sides, but assuming it is possible to get information on the measurement and length of whatever we need, then the second way is also possible. Then you have two triangles on top and then one rectangle at the bottom. So the third way to do this is to, for instance, draw also a horizontal line here at the top. And then if you do it this way, then what happens is instead of having all different figures and add up their individual area, what happens here is you will have a big rectangle here, which obviously has a bigger area than the composite shape itself. But if you can find the area of this triangle here at the top, which wasn't actually there, then you can say we are going to subtract the area of the bigger rectangle here, and then we subtract it by the area of this triangle. So that way you will have the same thing, you will have the area of the composite shape. So today's task is to practice with all those complicated or composite shapes. You just need to split those figures into shapes that you recognize and that you know the formulas for. Good luck!